Hello, my friends. Just a quick video to show you how to use two different Chrome extensions, Tab Scissors and Tab Glue. And you can pretty much figure out what they're going to do. So if you look up here on my desktop, I've got the Tab Scissors icon. I've got the Tab Glue icon. So once you have them installed, they'll be on your browser bar here. And I don't know if you knew this, but you can actually click and drag items in the bar around, and you can actually put items away if you don't need them. You can hide them in the Chrome menu. So that makes things a little less complicated. So a little added bonus tip for you there. So if I want to show two different tabs at the same time, I want to get my two tabs that I want to show right next to each other. So I want to show my blog post tab, and I want to show my blog digests tab. Put them side by side, make the one to the right side the active one that you can see. Now when you hit the Tab Scissors up here, up here, top right, the Tab Scissors, it is going to split. It is going to split your screen into two tabs. Now you have both tabs accessible once the screen reappears. Now I have both sides accessible. So now if there's something I want to copy from here and paste over here, you can also use this. You can split your tabs when you are doing a Google Meet. If you want to have a document on your right as a script or something, you can do it that way. When you're done, you go back up here, you go to your glue icon, Tab Glue, click it, everything goes back together. So that's Tab Scissors and Tab Glue. Hope that helps.